I'm going to talk about the Ottomans' last victory and its final stand. It was at Gallipoli. This is Mehmed VI, the emperor during the Ottomans' time to dissolve away. The Arab revolt also played a huge part in World War One to kick the Turks clean out of the war, which is called World War One or the Great War. The last victory for them was at Gallipoli. So the British general during Gallipoli was Sir Lance Standish Monteith Hamilton. And the war was between the British and the Ottoman. Well, this was to knock Turks clean out of the war because they got pretty annoying, and they were helping a whole bunch for the Germans. So they took their focus away from Germans for some time and went to attack the Ottomans in the desert. So basically, what happened was that the British were attacking Ottoman through Gallipoli right there, which is a peninsula, so that they could easily make allied ships go through, which is because it's an important river, and it is important because it allows any ship to go from the Mediterranean Sea to the other open water, which is the Indian Ocean or the Arabian Sea, depending on how you look at it. So the attack was made at Gallipoli. What went wrong is, first of all, was the Ottomans were the conqueror of Constantinople from the Byzantine Empire. They defeated the Mongols. They even defeated the Roman empires. It was not just a thorn in the way of victory; it was a mosquito. So the British decided to get rid of it through Gallipoli. The main thing was that the plan was not realistic. You just go to Gallipoli and just have to reach a city diagonal. You could reach there by ship. There are no plans. People were inexperienced civilians, and the spies failed. The bombs were in the wrong area. The reason was to conquer Dardanelles to allow Allied ships to pass through an important river and then go to Constantinople, which is Istanbul, and knock Turkey out of the war clean. But the bloodshed during Gallipoli was one of the most unforgettable and undescribable the world could ever see. So the British had to this epic idea to attack through Damascus, which is not the city in Syria, but the area between Egypt and the Arab countries. So if they're invading through there, they could easily reach, then go to Constantinople, and then they would every morning drink tea, speak English, and we would be under the rule of Elizabeth. So then Lawrence started leading a revolt from Arabia, and then the Ottoman Empire pretty much dissolved. At this point, the Turks were still pretty happy about their defending and Gallipoli and got a bit too cocky. Cocky means overconfident, and then the British won't be able to win the war. Well, the downfall was that. Because whenever there's a war, you can never get too cocky. Because even if you're winning, you will lose at some point. There are like some losing points, there's some winning points. It's always like confusing. It depends on your plan. So the war starts. The first bullets were not by the British, they were by the Arab revolt. So Thomas Edward Lawrence or T.E. Lawrence or Lawrence of Arabia was sent as a spy to see what is going on. So then he saw the revolt and joined the revolt and started leading it. So the revolt immediately started winning. They first attacked a train, then before him they were attacking garrisons. Now they are attacking trains. The plan was to send Thomas Edward Lawrence as a spy, but we know what happened. They saw the Arab revolt and they fought hard, but not good enough on its own. Then they send in attacks at Damascus. It's a province over here, right there. And a few years later, he got what he wanted. The Turks out of the war, and the Arabs got what they wanted: recognition and independence. Bye. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe, stay happy. Bye.